Hello friends, this is Milind Khamgaonkar, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Friends, today we will be discussing about the concrete technology, a bread and butter subject of civil engineers. As we all know, that concrete is being produced in largest quantity worldwide. So naturally, its technology from the basic three qualities point of view, the strength, the durability and the workability must be understood. From that point of view, we will proceed. Friends, concrete has three basic ingredients. They are the cement, aggregate and water. And the fourth ingredient, that is the admixtures. They act as a tonic to the concrete. So initially we will be trying to know the basics of the cement, then we will proceed on to aggregate, and then we will understand what should be the quality of the water to be used for concrete. Friends, as we all know that concrete is a mixture of cement, aggregate, that is coarse and fine aggregate, water and admixtures. The coarse aggregate and the fine aggregate, part of the aggregates, they give volume to the concrete, they act as a filler. The cement and water paste acts as a binder. It binds the coarse and the fine aggregate together. And the other qualities needed from the concrete, that is the strength, durability and workability, are being imparted with the help of the admixtures. Specifically mobility to the concrete, that is the workability. The concrete's advantages are numerous, but amongst them we will list down few. That it has got the ability to be casted in any shape. It's economical amongst other construction materials. Its durability is beyond doubt. It is fire resistant. It is energy efficient. And last but not the least, it can be fabricated on site. Little disadvantages: it has low tensile strength, hence low ductility. Due to the shrinkage of the cement, it has got volume instability, which results in very micro cracks, which can be controlled, and it has got low strength to weight ratio. But advantages are more, so we prefer the concrete as a major construction material.